Lost photos or videos from your SD card? Don't panic because there's actually a very high chance you can still recover them. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 best SD card recovery software, including one that works even if your card was formatted. Before we jump in, here's something most people don't know. When you delete files from an SD card, they are not immediately gone. They are just hidden until new data overrides them. That means the faster you act, the higher your chances of getting everything back. Before we begin, if your SD card is corrupted and can't be read, you can watch my video on how to fix a corrupted SD card. Now let's get into the best tools, and I'll also show you exactly how to use them. First, a quick setup. Take your SD card and connect it to your computer using a card reader or directly through your laptop's SD slot. Once it shows up on your PC, do not copy anything new into it because that can overwrite your lost data. Now you are ready to use any recovery software. At number 1, I recommend Stellar Data Recovery. This is easily the most reliable SD card recovery software I have used. It can recover photos, videos, documents, and even data from formatted or corrupted SD cards. The interface is very beginner friendly, so you don't need any technical skills to use it. To recover your data, simply open the software, select your SD card from the list of drives and click Scan. Once the scan is complete, you can preview the recovered files and select what you want to restore. What really stands out is its deep scan feature, which can find files that most other tools completely miss. In terms of recovery success rate, especially for photos and videos, Stellar performs extremely well. The only downside is that the free version has a recovery limit, so for full recovery, you will need the paid version. But if your data is important, this is the safest choice. Coming in at number 2 is Easys Data Recovery Wizard. This is one of the most popular recovery tools out there, and for good reason. It's very easy to use, the scanning process is fast, and it supports almost every file type you can think of. The process is very similar. Launch the software, choose your SD card and start the scan. After scanning, you can filter files by type, preview them and recover what you need. If you are a beginner and just want something simple that works without any confusion, this is a great option. However, the free version is quite limited and the full version can be a bit expensive. Still, it's a solid and dependable choice for most users. At number 3, we have Disk Drill. This software stands out mainly because of its clean and modern interface. It's very easy to navigate and offers decent recovery performance. To use it, open Disk Drill, select your SD card and click on Search for lost data. It will scan and then show you recoverable files, which you can preview before restoring. It also includes some extra features like disk health monitoring, which can be useful. However, when it comes to deep scanning and recovering more complex data loss, it's slightly less reliable compared to Stellar. That said, it's still a good all-round option for casual use. So, to quickly sum it up, Stellar Data Recovery is the best overall in terms of reliability and recovery results. Easys is perfect for beginners who want something simple, and Disk Drill is a good option if you prefer a clean interface with decent performance. If your data is really important, I'd strongly recommend going with Stellar first instead of experimenting with multiple tools. I'll leave the link to all tools in the description. Do check them out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor. Just remember, act fast because the longer you wait, the higher the chance your data gets permanently overwritten.